Hey guys, welcome to Beaded by Malia. And this is what we're going to do today. We're going to do a short and sweet one, and this is brown chip stone earrings, and we can get started now. I'm not going to stop or pause this video or anything. We're going to do all of this in real time. So let's start with, I'm adding on my ring. Let's start with adding the pendants to the eye pins. So we are going to be using a bigger jump ring to connect this to that, because I think it's just going to have enough space to wiggle around or space to move. So from that, we're going to add that there, and then we're going to add it to the eye pin as well. Just wanted to show you that's one way of doing it, by using both of these. But if you have it in like this, then all you need is just one of these to open that up, add your pendant, add your eye pin, close it up. And I think that was done quicker than taking two pliers. Okay, so we have that over there. Now we're gonna add our stones. So for these, I'm just gonna add 3 because I think it looks much better with 3 and there's enough space to close the loop. So let me just take this out. So for both of these, I want the middle piece to be more of a thicker stone, the bigger stone, like that. And then the other two more of a flat stone. And that will be fine. And maybe one of that and one of... I'm very indecisive, so this might take a while. Okay, sorry for that sound. Happens when I think. There we go. So now we have our stone set out. Let me see, this one has a lot of colors. This one doesn't have that many colors, so maybe I'll just switch these two around to give this side some more color. We're adding that. I'm gonna add the bigger one. We're gonna add another flat one. And that is how these are gonna look. Okay, so now you're gonna need a round nose plier. So first off, I'm gonna fold it one way, right? Like that. See that? One way. And then I'm going to take the plier, have it flush to the side like that, and then I'm going to do a loop. Oops. And we're going to go right around. And we have a round loop, and then close it up a bit like that. I could move it a bit more this way so that it is more flat, but that is going to be my loop. Check that, not too bad. And then we're going to do another one, the other side of the earring, I mean. Put that in there. We're going to take the big stone, we're going to put the big stone there. We're going to take a flat stone and put it there. And this is what this one looks like. Okay. So now we're going to, like before, fold it over that way so that it has like this L-like shape, 90-degree shape. We're gonna make sure that it's flush to the side like that. We're gonna bring it right over like that. There we go. Okay, and now we are going to add the ear hooks. We're adding another jump ring, but this time I'm using the smaller jump ring just to add it in there. And I also want to see which way this flows. So if I would have the earring on, I'd have it like that, yeah. Then put the hook in there. we're going to close it up. Oops. One earring done. Next one, jump ring, open up, earring hook. Oops, let me just see something. Earring hook. Look, if your earring hook and everything doesn't look 100% when you try it on, then you can always adjust it. You can always turn around, you can always move your eye pin that you made yourself. You can always move that around as well so that everything sits flush, so that everything sits nicely. And there you have it. Quick and easy. Quick and easy earrings. Oh, my dog just farted. Not cool. And I'm in a small room. Let's go try this on so that you can see what it looks like.